Alright, so I finally took off my Throaty exhaust. And this is my last setup. Right here. Right there. I'm just getting ready to install this on right now. Took everything off. So right there, I just got the whole axleback off. I'm gonna see what it sounds like with just the resonator and everything on. Where my keys? Oh shit! That's just loud as fuck. Excuse my car, it's a little dirty, but I just got it installed. The S4 axleback right there. I think this is the best sounding exhaust setup in my opinion. It's very throaty and aggressive sounding, very loud, and I like it. So I'm gonna probably do some more flyby videos in the next few days. I'll probably get it uploaded maybe tomorrow or so. So let's look at the tips right there. And bam. All right, subscribe. See y'all.